Hello friends, today I am unboxing both Basshead 225 earphones. Without wasting your time, let's get started. I purchased it from local market. It costs me around 520 rupees, which is reasonable price for this earphone. Let's check what we get inside the box. Here is the earphones. Let's keep this side. Here we get 5 extra pairs of earbuds and one clip which is sturdy. Let's keep this side. Checking. Now check the build quality of earphones. This part is made of metal. Its wire is tangle free. You can see that it has gold plated 3.5 mm jack and Basshead branding. Here is controller, which is very clicky, and one microphone here. Here also a board branding. Let me focus. It has impedance of 16 ohm and frequency range is 20 to 20 kHz. Length of wire is 1.2 meter, which is very good, and build quality of wire is also pretty good. Board gives you 1 year of warranty, which is very nice. Let's check the sound quality of this earphone. Please wear your earphones to check the quality of this earphone. I'm gonna start music. Listen carefully. Vocal sound quality is good, but bass quality is not that good enough. But if you have a budget of 500, you can buy it. Thanks for watching video. Meet you in next videos. Till then, bye bye.